Did you know that certain drinks can help regulate your blood sugar levels overnight? Let's uncover this surprising solution. Welcome to today's video where we will discuss effective drinks that can help flush out blood sugar for good. Get ready to transform your nighttime routine. Many people struggle with high blood sugar levels, which can lead to serious health issues. If you're someone who's experienced fatigue, mood swings, or even weight gain due to fluctuating blood sugar, you're not alone. High blood sugar can be sneaky, creeping up on you when you least expect it. And it's important to tackle this issue before it leads to complications like diabetes or heart disease. Luckily, there are natural and effective ways to manage blood sugar levels, and today, we're diving into some drinks that can help you do just that. By incorporating the right beverages into your routine, you can support your body's natural ability to regulate glucose and feel better overall. We'll explore various drinks that are not only delicious but also known to aid in blood sugar regulation. First up is herbal tea. Chamomile and peppermint teas are great options because they help reduce stress and promote relaxation, which in turn can stabilize your blood sugar levels. Just brew a cup before bed, and you'll be setting the stage for a peaceful night. Next, let's talk about infused water. You can create your own refreshing concoction by adding slices of cucumber, lemon, or berries to your water. These additions not only make your drink more flavorful but also provide antioxidants that can help regulate blood sugar. Plus, staying hydrated is key to overall health. Now, we can't forget about smoothies. A green smoothie made with spinach, avocado, and a splash of unsweetened almond milk can be a powerhouse for your metabolism. Throw in some chia seeds for extra fiber, and you've got a drink that keeps you full and supports healthy blood sugar levels. And don't overlook the power of cinnamon. Adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your drinks not only enhances flavor but also has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. So, whether you're sipping on tea or a smoothie, consider adding this spice for an extra health boost. Now, here's the exciting part: the most effective drink revealed will be a game changer for your health journey. Are you ready? The star of the show is a simple blend of apple cider vinegar and water. Just a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with a glass of water before bedtime can work wonders. This drink has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, it's super easy to make. Just mix, sip, and let it do its magic overnight. To wrap up, we've discussed several drinks that can help manage blood sugar levels overnight. From herbal teas to infused water, smoothies, and that magical apple cider vinegar mix, remember that small changes can lead to significant health improvements. So, why not give these drinks a try tonight? If you found this video helpful, please like and comment on your favorite drink. I'd love to hear your experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and check out my other videos for additional insights. Cheers to better health, and see you next time.